Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. In today's video, we are still on the spectral indices and we'll be looking at the Normalized Difference Moisture Index. This, also recognized as Moisture Stress Index, it tracks canopy water content and drought stress by constructing near-infrared reflections against the short-wave infrared reflectance decreases as the leaf moisture drops. So the bands we'll be working with are the near-infrared and the short-wave infrared, which will be band 5 minus band 6 using a Landsat 8 or Landsat 9 image, as which I'll be using in our today's video. So let's get straight into it. I have my slides in. I'm going to open my geoprocessing toolbox, Raster Calculator, bracket open, band 5 minus band 6, bracket close, all divided by bracket open, band 5 plus band 6. Remember, this is a Landsat 8 imagery. NDMI moisture index. So let me just confirm. Never short and yeah. Run. So just like I explained earlier, our results basically shows places with water content and also tracks drought levels. So if I'm able to change this symbology for a second, so let's say moisture, let's use this. So this gives us an idea. It's not that bright. Let's use something brighter. Okay, that's so red. Okay, that should work. So this basically gives us an idea of the moisture content of this Landsat imagery I'm working with. Places with the brown have little or no moisture at all. Places with blue have massive moisture. In most cases, that could be a water body. Same as green down to about yellow. So with this, you can be able to track the moisture and drought level of a particular location over time. So for example, if I have 2 years, I bring them in, I analyze the data, I run a change detection, I can be able to tell what has happened over the years between these two images. So yeah, let's put that up for that. This is, I forgot to rename this properly, NDMI. So it is, I hope I've been able to assist you in running whatever analysis you may be planning to do using the NDMI. Please do like, share, and subscribe to GeoKloud Academy for more interesting videos like this. And please remember, we're here for you. As always, happy mapping. See you on the next one.